Hi, I'm Athena, and I'm going to show you how to draw. Step 1. Steal some printer paper from your dad. Step 2. Choose a pencil. I usually use a mechanical pencil and an eraser, but we're not going to be using that for this tutorial. For this one, I'm going to use a regular number 2 pencil and an eraser I found at the bottom of my drawer. Step 3. Draw a circle. It doesn't need to be perfect. Step 4. Draw guidelines. One should be in the center of the circle, going vertical, and one should be under the circle, going horizontal. Step 5. Use the guidelines to draw the chin, like so. Try to get it as even as you can on both sides, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Step 6. Draw a line where the circle and the line that you just drew meet. This will act as a guideline so you know where to place your eyes. Draw 2 dots that are evenly placed on both sides. This will be the point for where the inner eye is. After that, draw a rough oval for the eye shape. Finally, sketch out the eyes. Step 7. To draw the nose, draw 2 dots evenly spaced in between the vertical and horizontal line. Step 8. To draw the mouth, draw 2 dots under the nose that resemble the corners of the mouth. Then, under the nose, draw a small V to resemble the Cupid's bow. Then, draw a line connecting the dots to the Cupid's bow. Finally, draw a small line under the mouth to resemble the bottom lip. Finally, erase the guidelines. Step 9. Draw a circle inside the eye to make the pupil. If something doesn't look good to you, don't be afraid to erase it and try again. Step 10. Draw a dot where the hair will part. Oh yeah, and don't forget the eyebrows. To draw hair, draw strands starting from that one dot. Don't be afraid to go crazy. Then draw a small circle to represent the shine. Then shade in a dark circle in the middle of the eye. Finally, on the top part of the eye, shade in slightly lighter than the pupil. Step 11. Draw the neck and the shoulders. To add extra detail, add in the neck muscles and collarbones. Final step is shading. Try to determine where the light source is. You can usually determine this by the shine in the eye that you drew. Then add in shadows correspondingly. Last but not least, add the blushies. Then you're done.